Hello Libra, welcome to your January 2026 overview. Let's see what you're attracting this month. The Two of Swords. There could be some indecision. There could be people who are in denial about the reality here. And the Five of Wands. Yeah, there could be competition with you. Maybe there is someone else in your situation. This could be a family member, partner. Yeah, Empress, you're here, Libra. And the bottom of the deck is the Seven of Wands. Yeah, if you're a Libra woman especially, there is a third party here. There could be competition for getting your place, getting your status, or even for work situations, you could be having some competition here. Make sure that you defend yourself, you stand up for what you believe in, and do not place any kind of topics or even topics of discussion, okay, about your self-worth. Stand up for you. You're the Empress, so you, the Earth connection, Gaia. Be mindful of the planet. Come back to Earth. Stay grounded. Yeah, do not get any drama disturb your peace this month. Stand your ground this month.